Okay, Julie. Do you want to find a husband? It might take a little miracle. This is a holy picture of Santo Rodolfo de Camarillo. It's been blessed. You put him in your shoe and you say, Santo Rodolfo, you are going to stay in my shoe till you bring me a husband.
Is this how you met your husband?
Nah, I picked him up at a disco.
Julie, a few things. Now, I know it must be hell being with a man who sees other women and really doesn't love you. Remember, find Julie a really good therapist.
Well, thanks for caring, Candace, but I'm fine.
Oh.
Out with it, Michelle.
Elizabeth Taylor canceled!
She was getting dressed and she tripped over an electrical cord and chipped a tooth, and then she swallowed the chip and she choked on it, and then when the paramedics, they administered the Heimlich maneuver, they threw her back out. Now they're rushing her to the hospital.
We're gonna have to run your Michael Jackson interview.
You can't run that tape. I didn't even talk to Michael. If you run that, it'll make me look like a total goofball.
Julie, that's the last thing I'd want to do. But as the network, I can't just go with dead air. I've got to cue up that Michael Jackson remote.
Well, she just thinks she's the queen of CBS. Memo to myself, get a personality.
Back in 1 minute, Julie.
What am I gonna do? Okay, I can sing again. Yeah. I'll do the Homecoming Queen's Got a Gun. Yes. No, too weird for CBS. Wait a minute. I don't need Liz Taylor to do a good show. It's called Julie Brown, the show, right? They came to see me, and that's what they're gonna get, me. And lots of me, and just me, and no Michael Jackson. What am I gonna do?
When in doubt,
More eyeshadow. How am I going to get away with this Michael Jackson tape?
Oh, I'm sorry it has to be this way, Julie, but you know, a TV show is a lot like a roller coaster. Well, maybe not a lot, but it's a little like a roller coaster. You get on, and once you're on, you can't get off. You're there for the ride. It has its ups and its downs. Usually it's fun, unless you've just had a big meal recently, and then Excuse me. I have to go direct now.
So attractive. Well, I know a lot of us came here tonight to see Liz Taylor. I have been waiting to meet her my whole life. She's my idol.
I just want to drown in those violet eyes of hers. I'm so excited, I just may cry again.
Well, here you go, Brant. She canceled. Those of us who love Liz, as we all do, know how accident-prone she is. It's her back again. I know, and we all wish her a very speedy recovery. But there's good news. Michael Jackson's going to be on the show. Not in person, not tonight. But I do have a videotape that some network people did not even want you to see. I haven't even seen this. We shot it this morning. And I think it will show how hard I try to bring the stars into your homes and to get into theirs. Roll tape. Come on, Brant.
Yeah.
Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Do I? Oh, look at that. Do you believe that? And my hair would be frizzy hair. He's leaving. Turn the camera on. Is it on? Turn it on. Come on. Hi, Michael. It's me, Julie Brown. You know, from Julie Brown the show, like Star Trek the Motion Picture. Stop, driver. Stop. Thank you. Hi, I'm Julie Brown. Hi, what's your name?
Look, lady, gonna have to reschedule.
Well, have you worked for him long?
No comment.
Have you had plastic surgery?
No comment.
Hi, Michael. It's Julie Brown. Hi. Stop. Michael, please. We had an appointment. Stop. Oh, do you believe this? Maybe we can. Look, it's Bubbles. Do these shoes look stupid with this dress? They do. Freeze the tape. Roll it back. Roll it back. Look, it's Michael Jackson's monkey Bubbles. He
Wow, I wonder if he's still in there.
Go find out, Brent. Go. Go, yeah. Yeah, go. Yes. Now Michael Jackson will be on the show. I promised you Michael Jackson, and I'm going to deliver Michael Jackson.
Julie is a very lucky girl.
Now she has me fetching monkeys. You don't see Dan Rather carrying around any monkeys.
Johnny Carson built his career relating to animals. Who do you want to be, Dan or Johnny?
And now while we're waiting for the chip, let's meet Susan Anton.
Listen, would you mind if we traded places?
Why?
Oh, well, this couch just doesn't work with my dress. Thanks.
Oh, Susan, you're so tall, so blonde.
Oh, thank you. I'm so glad to be on your show tonight. You know, you're talking about change, and I'm out promoting my fitness tapes about health and fitness and change.
Yeah.
And I brought you a T-shirt, Julie.
Well,
here.
thanks. We'll get to that later. Now, Susan, you were Miss California in 1969, weren't you?
Yes,
You know, I so much wanted to watch that pageant, but my mother wouldn't let me stay up that late. And I remember crying in my crib. It must have been really magical.
Yes, I'm sorry you didn't get to stay up for it.
And they didn't even have videotape then, did they?
No, but we do have videotape now.
Well, we'll get to that. Now, you're about to go on a world tour with Kenny Rogers. Is that right?
Well, yes. I have a hit record, and I'm really looking forward to working with Kenny. He's so wonderful.
He's so wonderful. I think he's incredible. Is it going to be just you and Kenny, like just you two? Like,
oh, well, no, his band and my band, you know, and all the guys that set up the lights. I mean, there's a lot of people that go on
but you get to be alone a lot, right?
Oh, well, not really. You know, when you work like that, you hardly ever really see each
Well,
other.
I just want to say, Susan, be really careful. I mean, you know what happened to Bruce Springsteen and Patty Skliloff or whatever her name was. I mean, you just got to be really careful because, you know, the next thing you know, you're on the cover of People magazine as the other woman.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well.
Be real careful because they always use bad headshots, too. So, now...
My tapes. Have I told you about my tapes?
Well, you know, I know you probably want to, like, show us some exercises from the tapes or something, but you're probably not wearing underwear, so better not.
You know, Julie, call me crazy, but I am sensing just a little hostility here. Now, would you like to talk about it?
Okay, fine, I will, Susan. You know... You probably don't remember this, but a few years back, I was dating someone, and I brought him to a party of yours. Yes, he's famous. Let's just call him Warren, okay? And I took him to your house, and he broke up with me for you. Do you remember that?
3 years ago?
Yeah.
Yes, I remember this party because someone set a fire in my bathroom.
Well, that's just the kind of thing that happens at that kind of party, you know?